A Baby Penguin and a Baby Duck Story by Joan Hewart, photographs by Richard Hewitt. Nonfiction books. We have learned about topics like tools, people in the community, and ways that people and things move from place to place. Nonfiction books give true information about real people and things. What else do we know about nonfiction books? Nonfiction books sometimes have photographs. Nonfiction books have table of contents. You learn about things from reading nonfiction books. Wondering. Wondering is about good readers wonder or have questions in mind. When you hear or read a story and wonder, it helps you understand the story better. So we're going to read some books today, and you're going to listen, and we're going to do some wondering. So let's be good readers and wonder while we read these stories. We're going to start with a baby penguin story. A white egg sits in a rocky nest. A tired dad sits on top. Pip! The egg cracks. Out hatches a fluffy penguin. Chick, cheep, chatter, beep. The tiny chick is hungry. Its mom spits up fish into its open mouth. Purr, shiver, ah, cuddle. Mom huddles around her chick. In its icy world, the chick stays warm. Ah. Hello, who are you? The chick finds friend in its colony. Baby chicks play while their parents find food. A colony is a group of penguins that lives together in the same area. Waddle, 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 belly slide. The young penguins go for an icy ride. Back they hop across rocky grounds. Molt, scratch, pick. Fluffy feathers fall off the chick. With its beak, it preens new waterproof feathers. Preen means clean and arrange feathers with its beak. Splish splash! It's time to learn swift swimming skills. The penguin chick needs speed to catch a tasty swarm of krill. Krill are small, shrimp-like animals. You go first. No, you jump in. Through cold ocean waves, penguins seem to fly. Their wings act like flippers. Flippers are part of sea animals like whales and seals that help them swim. The chick swims up for air. It dives down deep. Catch a fish. Swallow it live. Yum! Now it's time for goodbye. The young penguin is off to catch fishy snacks. Someday it will return to build its own nest. Wondering. What are some things you are wondering after hearing this book about penguin chicks? Do you wonder if all baby birds hatch from eggs? Do you wonder if other dad birds sit on their eggs? Do you wonder why their feathers fall off? Do you wonder why they always go back to the same place to hatch their eggs? I'm wondering the same things. Now we're going to hear a story of a baby duck story. Let's do some wondering about this story too. What do you wonder about baby ducks or ducklings? A mother duck sits and sits. Her eggs stay warm in her nest. Crack, crack. That egg has a tiny hole. Now another and another. One by one, tiny ducklings push out using an egg tooth. Brrr. They're wet and cold, but duckling feathers dry and fluff up quickly. An egg tooth is a sharp bump on the tip of a duckling's bill. Let's go! Mother duck waddles from her nest. Follow in a line. Keep up. Don't get lost. Jump right in. Splash! Paddle around the pond. Move those webbed feet to swim. Hop out and shake off that water. Cuddle close to Mom. Oil from her feathers rubs off on us. Quack, quack, cheep. I'm hungry. How about you? Grab food with your bill. Watch out! That fox just tried to eat you. Mom hissed and quacked and chased it off. She keeps us safe. Let's play and chase. We're growing bigger every day. Pick and preen. Fluffy feathers fall out. Sleek feathers grow in. Use your bill to spread oil over them. Sleek means smooth and shiny. Today's the day. I'll fledge and fly. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, brothers and sisters. I'm on my way. Oops, I'm on my own. Sorry. Fledge means to grow feathers big enough for flying. What did you learn? What did you learn about how the mother duck takes care of her ducklings? She keeps them safe. She teaches them to swim with their webbed feet. Wondering. What are some things you are wondering after hearing about ducklings? Do you wonder if they come back to the same place every year? Do you wonder what they like to eat? Do you wonder when they learn how to fly? A baby penguin and a baby duck story. You learned about both of them, a baby penguin and a baby duck. We have wondered about each of them because good readers wonder. When you hear a story and wonder, it helps you understand the story better. Let's take the information that you've learned and do a comparison. How are baby penguins and baby ducks? How are they alike? Let's think. How are they similar or are they alike? Oh yeah. They both hatch out of shells. They both swim in water. They both lose their feathers. But feathers grow back on both of them. Was there anything else that they both had the same? I wonder if you can think. Good wondering. Happy reading, boys and girls.